Okay, our locker combination is 37-322. This will stay down. We're gonna rotate it right. Right now there's no light being shown on the RGB LED. That means our locker is cleared, so we can begin to input our combination. Blue means that we're in the middle of inputting. Just for the sake of the video, I had it let us know when it's wrong already when using a locker dial. So we have to pass this number when rotating before getting to our second number. Seven. Then we get to 3. Now we rotate back, start rotating to the right again, and get to 22. And now we know it's unlocked. This for video purposes, obviously wouldn't know with the physical thing. Now we unlock it using this switch number 1. Now it's light, that means we open our locker. We want to lock it back, just switch it off. Here, we can't do anything to clear it so that no LEDs there. We know we're ready to input again. Spin it to the right, make sure it hits 0 twice, spin it fast. 0, we're trying to reset, it's purple, hit 0 again, and it's ready for another input.